So we are actually very happy now because we are just having the kick-off meeting of BeyondC, of our SFP project.
What we in particular like about our project BeyondC is that we provide a platform for exchange of students, researchers who would like to use this program in particular to bring young people together, that they can share expertise, and there should be no borders, no barriers whatsoever, that people from different groups can meet, discuss and hopefully develop new ideas.
So this is this great thing about this SFP, this really big project where you can really have so many groups working together.
Within our project BeyondC, we have 5 host institutions: the University of Vienna, the University of Innsbruck, the Austrian Academy of Sciences, the East Austria, the Institute of Standards and Technology in Klosterneuburg, and the Max Planck Society in Garching.
And the topic that we are working on really needs so many groups working together, because what we want to do is to advance quantum technologies, and this requires different experimental setups because we don't know which one will be the best. We want to learn from one and the other, we want to combine them, we want to have interfaces and so on. And this is precisely what this SFP allows us to do, because we have several theory groups that work on different things, but now we are really joining forces in order to solve that goal, and this is only possible within such an SFP.